Y'all get it? Y'all already done that. Okay, guys, so what, raise your hand if after you looked at it a little bit, it started making more sense. Okay, some of you feel more confident.
No.
Nancy, when you were like, oh, I feel stupid now.
Yeah.
What you said?
I know I did say that, but it was confusing.
Okay, you thought it was confusing. Okay, so do you feel like you could defend your answers and find your answers and show somebody what you did to get your answer?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I do.
I could.
Yeah.
I could
I couldn't show the whole world.
I mean, like, I could try.
Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna use your cards to draw part of the graph. So what you're gonna do is I'm gonna take the Monday people's cards and give them to the Tuesdays people. So, and you're gonna listen to each other and make sure that that information that they're putting on the graph is accurate. Okay, so make sure that everybody in the group can explain what they put on the graph. So you're gonna take turns with the card. So if I have a card, then I'm gonna make the sketch on a plain graph. And then you're gonna do part of it and y'all are gonna check each other, okay? So what I need you to do, if you have your Tuesday cards, hand them to me. Tuesday, if you have a Tuesday card. Okay. Okay. It doesn't matter. Okay, Tuesday's cards. Okay, raise your hand if you have a Monday. Okay. So there's.
Yeah, we had Tuesday.
Okay, and give me your Monday.
Oh.
There's a Tuesday. Okay, and what is y'all? Monday. Okay, I'm gonna I'll have an extra set that's filled out over here. Okay, raise your hand if you, had Tuesday and you gave them to me.
That's weird.
Okay. And I've got one group. Okay, now, you're gonna have a blank. So now you are working from something you do not have a graph for. There.
Actually,
Why did you spell it? You said you were smart.
Okay. Shh. This is something to go out. Okay, so you now have a blank graph, and you're gonna graph the information from your cards. to get this.
That's the thing. That's where like I just sat on the phone right now.
What? Y'all did Monday, right? Thank you, y'all, for
You break your wrist or your arm? No, you have to try to grab. No, I'm not.
Okay, well, all you're doing is it says, this is from the number of sodas bought between 10 and 12. What do you, okay, first of all, what do you think you need to do first? To determine. To begin with, and what could you do, like it says the number of sodas bought between 10 and 12.
You know, there's lots of land.
I would look around, I would think about it in time frame, because you can't just start at 26 and then go down 5%, right? You can't start at the highest, because then what if it goes back and it adds more after that? So what would you do? Start I would, find get the definite information first. At such and such time, there were this many in the machine, if you have any of those. That's what I would start with. Then kind of work backwards, because look, you know this. At this time, there was this many in the machine. So what do you think you could do, like, could you put it in order, like from time?
Okay, so between 13 and 15, there was like 4. And we're now we're already done this.
Is yours?
Wait.
Okay, well, you know that right here, it's gonna be flat, or right here at 10. So you know that it's gonna be right here. So you know that much. So anything definite,
11?
you don't have to draw a line up. Because remember how your graph was? It's just moving kind of over and down or up. Okay, raise your hand, because a lot of you are struggling with this. What will you need to do? What is a strategy to start this? To be able to start graphing? Because you can't just go at the highest and then start down from there. Why? Why can't you just start at the top and then graph down?
Because you don't know specifically how many sodas were actually in the machine.
Right, and this is the graph you're making is a graph of the, how much was in the machine at that given time, right? So what information do you need to look for first in your cards that will help you be able to know what was in there at different times? Then you may have to go back and, eyeball timing. What could you do, Celeste?
Me and Savannah, for the first 2 questions, we realized that the machine was filled up at some point at 13 o'clock. So then, and it says how many there were from the people that did the paper. And so we started from there, and then we went back to the first question, asking, well, this is for Monday.
Yeah.
And it says that 4 sodas were bought, so then we just counted them.
Okay, so you're counting down, you're finding a definite amount that was in the machine, and then you can count backwards or up based